buying your own things?
Yeah.
A woman should never buy her own things.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I seen that. I thought you were a damsel in distress. Can I buy it for you?
You don't have to.
I know, but can I? My mom was a single parent.
What's going on?
What's that? I was just buying her stuff because she was paying for her own stuff.
Oh, we can pay for it.
Are you with her?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's your girlfriend.
That's my girl, yeah.
Oh, my bad, dude. I ain't trying to disrespect. Can I?
Sure.
You mind if I pay?
Go ahead now.
I was just telling her no woman should be paying for her own things.
Oh, yeah, I got her.
Oh, okay.
Go to the
Well, actually, I got her. That's my Chase card. Thanks. Like I was just playing, bro. I was just playing. I just want to do something nice for you guys.
Thank you.
Yeah, I wasn't trying to hit on her. I got a wife. You want cash? Can I give her cash back, or is that? Can I give it to you? Can I give you cash back?
You can go ahead and give it to her, man.
All right.
Go to the bathroom and this what happened?
Yeah. Kindness happened. Yeah.
Can't leave your girl in Walmart.
Yeah. Can't let her pay for her own things. Hey, love you, bud. I hope I didn't, all jokes aside, I hope I didn't stir nothing up, bud.
I appreciate it.
Yeah.
Oh, you do?
Oh, you want?
You could probably just leave with him.
I mean, is he a comedian? You're a good sport. You're a good sport. I knew he was joking. There you go. You want that?
It's all right.
All right, cool. I'll take the receipt at least. Love you, bud.
What are y'all thoughts on something like that? All right, so let's just go ahead and dissect this thing. You got a young lady sitting at self-checkout. It looks like she's buying like a Swifter or whatever. And you have a guy that approaches and basically says, yo, a young lady should not be paying for her own stuff. You know what I mean? So he's like, let me step in and let me pay for it. So right here is where you find out what type of young lady you're dealing with. Because again, your boy, I deal with different type of women. They already like what's understood don't need to be explained. If any guy approach you for any reason, it's always no, thank you, I'm good, and that's the end of it. We don't need to continue the conversation or anything like that. No, thank you. All right, and by that time I should be approaching or something like that. So the guy walks up, and he's like, yo, what's going on? He's like, oh, I was just paying for her stuff. He's like, oh, no, she good. He's like, oh, this your girl? Like, oh, dang, I didn't mean to impose or whatever. Is it okay with you if I pay for her stuff? He should have put the reverse Uno card. I just want to see where your head is at. What do you think? Do you want him to pay for your stuff? I'm just asking. Okay, cool. All right, right there. That's gonna let you know right then and there. I seen some people down in the comments. If that was my man, I would have left him. Like, you know what I mean? You gonna let somebody else pay? He should have paid. She already planned to pay for it to begin with. She was already about to pay for it any doggone way. You gonna save what? What is that thing? Probably what, $20, $20, $30? So you telling me y'all would be willing to throw away what potentially could be a perfect relationship for $20 or $30 that somebody is giving you? Another man is giving you willing to throw that away for a damn Swifter? Because this man is already married. It's not like he's checking for her. Listen, you gonna get that damn Swifter. You came here with me, but you're leaving by your mother loving self. You got the process of elimination, man. You got to weigh your options. What makes more sense? What makes more sense? Should I go ahead and take this little $20 or $30 gift that this guy's giving me, or should I just go ahead and pay for my own stuff and not allow us to interrupt what we got going on? We at a pretty good point or whatnot, but no. Instead, he still act like, he kind of looked at her like, so she's not giving like a direct answer. She like in between. I mean, like, hey, if he want to pay for it, if I can save like $20, $30 here, not realizing, listen, your man is testing you right now. This is literally a test, and you about to fail. And I know there's a lot of women out there that, what? It's just $20, $30. It's the principle, bro. It's the mother-loving principle. How would you feel if a woman walked up while your man was paying for his doggone clippers, right? And she was like, let me get that for you. How would y'all feel about that? Would you want him to still pay for his own stuff, or would you be okay with that chick paying for his stuff? Keep it a band. Most of y'all will flip that mother-loving count. Get by. No, he good. He good. Nah, man, hell no. Let me tell you something. Right then and there, as soon as he put that doggone card in, I wouldn't have said, well, you can go ahead and leave with him. What's understood don't need to be explained. You already made your choice, baby girl. Just let you know. We done flipped that switch. Now I'm here for a good time, not a long time. I'm gonna slowly chuck them doggone deuces up and fade to the back.
Are you buying your own things?
Yeah.
A woman should never buy her own things.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Why, thank you. What? Man, you better, hey, bro. I don't know, I guess, maybe, I don't know if it's luck or what the heck it is. I just don't think, I would never experience anything like this. Y'all going out bad, bro. You are going out bad. Any chick. Now, it's difference between y'all just chilling and, you know, you just busting her down or whatever, versus, yo, this is your girl, like this your girlfriend, this somebody that you claim. So y'all done sat down and had that type of conversation. We gonna be committed to each other. Like y'all done had that type of interaction, and she out here, nah. Like, thank you, nah, nope.
I seen that. I thought you were a damsel in distress. Can I buy it for you?
You don't have to.
No is the answer that you're looking for. No. You don't have to. No. Hell no. No, I'm good, dog.
I know, but can I? My mom was a single parent.
No, thank you. Now look, the boyfriend of Walker, now, there was some people down in the comment, I gotta agree. They was like, how the hell did he get her? I don't know. This is definitely one of those weird type of couples that you don't see every day. I don't know, I was gonna say maybe the dude got money, but you know what? Let me not bag, but we not doing it over here. I don't know. It is definitely a weird looking couple. You know what I mean? Because I would think the guy that she with like a football player or whatever. But listen, I'm not mad at it. She going with, I guess an average guy. Hey, ain't nothing wrong with it. You know what I'm saying?
Huh?
What's that?
I was just buying her stuff because she was paying for her own.
Now he looking at her like, you letting him do this? Like, what you doing? Stop this man. I'm not gonna stop him for you. You should already know. I don't want to say that, you know what I'm saying, she should have been trained, but you should already know this. Like, this is stuff that I would think that a mother would teach her daughter. Like, I'm gonna school you how it is that you're supposed to behave when you got a man on your arm. A man that's gonna potentially be your husband or whatever. And if this is not somebody that you can, potentially see yourself with for the rest of your life, why the hell are you with him to begin with? Like, it don't make any sense. But I'm guessing if y'all together, y'all in a relationship, you have courted this man, and y'all are on the verge of getting to marriage and everything else like that. Like, didn't nobody school you? Didn't nobody tell you how it is that you're supposed to behave when you're in public? How you should never accept anything from another man. All right, it's different if it's like a family member, like a brother or your dad. Cousins, I don't know. You know what I'm saying? A lot of y'all be calling people y'all cousins out there, so I don't really trust that. But yeah, outside of a random guy, you're taking money, you're accepting money from a random guy, and you in a relationship. You don't see what's wrong with that? Man, ain't no way.
Oh, we can pay for it.
Oh, we can pay for it.
Are you with her?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's your girlfriend.
That's my girl, yeah.
Oh, my bad.
Is she? She got her head down. Man, ain't no way. Y'all be going out bad, bro. Just to say you got a decent looking chick on your arm. Ain't no way. You gotta get away from this one, King. For real. It's plenty of chicks out there that know and understand how it is that they should be operating. And this young lady right here, she don't get it.
Dude, I ain't trying to disrespect. Can I?
You sure?
You mind if I pay?
Go ahead now.
I was just telling her.
So he gave it
No,
go ahead.
no.
He should. What he should. That's where he was wrong at. He should have asked her. It's up to you. What you gonna do? Give her a choice, bro. You ain't gotta step in. Like, to be honest with you, I probably would have said a mother loving thing. I would have just stood over there and see how this interaction was gonna. I would honestly not have stepped in at all. Now, if she would have said, "No, I'm good," and he didn't, then as a man, that's when I step in. Hey, bro, she say she's straight. Just go on about your business. She good. But if she getting down with it to get down, she cool with it. She sitting there for, oh, thank you. Why am I interfering with that? Oh, we ain't gonna run no pass interference or nothing. Let this play go through. I'm not gonna throw no flag or nothing. Let this thing. Let's see it run its course. Let's see how she handles this. This is the perfect opportunity to see what type of chick you dealing with right now. She failed.
No woman should
You
be
did
paying
too.
for her own things.
Oh yeah, I got her. You're good.
Oh, okay.
There you go, a little shot right there. No woman should be paying for her own thing.
Go to the
Well,
bathroom.
actually, I got her. That's my chase
Another
card.
shot.
Things like I'm just.
Listen, like, again, he's a comedian, but some of his stuff, it don't really be landing with me. You know what I'm saying, fam? This is one of those times where nah. She's sitting here looking away. You see what the hell? You see what's going on?
I was just playing, bro. I was just playing. I just want to do something nice for you guys, man.
Thank you.
Yeah.
That too. That right. Thank you. Hey, bro. Yeah. I'm good. I'm out. I'm not gonna be emotional about this. If anything, listen, I'm actually thankful. I'm thankful that I was able to witness this thing like firsthand, bro. Because just imagine if he wasn't there. But the fact that you got the opportunity to walk up on, quote unquote, your girl and see how she's interacting with another man that wants to pay for her stuff, bro, what are we doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Like, look, at this point, we ain't even joking no more. Listen, if you need, you know what I'm saying, you need to get to the crib, I can shoot you a few dollars or whatnot. You can go ahead and Uber, do whatever you got to do, cool. But as far as this situation that we done had, it ended the moment that man put that damn card in and you accepted it. That's it. I'm out.
I wasn't trying to hit on her. I got a wife. You
Man, you
want
got a
cash? Can I give her cash back, or is that? Can I give it to you? Can I give you cash back?
You can go ahead and give it to her, man.
All right.
So here's the thing, right? You getting real quiet all of a sudden. Before I got here, no, you don't have to. Oh, thank you. Oh, no, fam. No. Dude, hey, listen. Old boy I ain't gonna say he's taking this thing like a champ. He going out like a doggone little beta, bro. This is some beta sim stuff. Listen, again, I'm not gonna be emotional. I would not have intervened at all. I wouldn't even have stepped up at all because of what she said. Oh, you don't have to. Not a direct no. You got to draw that line in the sand. If you got a man, if you got a husband or boyfriend, if you are committed to somebody, I don't know, maybe I'm different, bro. Maybe I'm just, I don't know, I'm different. When you got a girl, no, thank you. And it's a hard no, too. I'm not being disrespectful, but it's going to be stern. You're going to know I'm not playing. I got a serious look on my face. Take all the emotion out. No, thank you. I'm good. And going back to my doggone, I'm telling you, those looks right there is going to okay, all right, cool. And again, if he don't take that hint, then that's when you as a man step in if you're there.
Go to the bathroom and this what happened?
Yeah. Kindness happened. Yeah.
Can't leave your girl in Walmart.
Yeah.
No.
Can't.
That ain't your girl, brother. It's just your turn. That's not your girl. It's
Let her
just your
pay
turn.
for her own things.
Let me hide my
He was like, trying to steal from you.
Ain't nobody trying to
Hey,
steal.
love you, bud. I hope I didn't. All jokes aside, I hope I didn't stir nothing up, bud.
You did, brother. And there is no way in the world you don't realize that. You don't feel that tension. Her keep dropping her head, looking down. Him swinging back and forth, throwing hints, little jabs here and there. Well, thank you.
I appreciate it.
Yeah.
See, she keep, bro, nah. See, it's one thing to say thank you one time and just let it go. This is the third time. This is the third time I done heard something come out of her mouth. Oh, thank you. Appreciate it. Nah, man. Nah, dog.
Oh, you do?
And see, look, he peeped that. He peeped that. Like, come on, man. Like, you try to be funny now. You try to be funny. This man already told you got a wife.
How are you on?
You could probably just leave with him.
I mean,
Look how she looking like, hey, you.
is he a comedian? You're a good
Laughing it off,
sport.
but nah.
You're a good sport. I knew he was joking. There you go. You want that?
It's all
All
right.
right, cool.
Your boy reached for that money. She did too.
I'll take the receipt at least.
Well, I'll tell you, boy.
Love you, bud.
It's, what is it? Money is not the root of all evil. It's the love of money. And the things that people will do for a mother-loving dollar, it's so crazy, bro. Like, you're telling me that you're willing to throw away a whole relationship over a $30 dang on Swifter mop. You willing to throw away whatever y'all had going on for a Swifter mop? Listen, I think that a lot of people get it confused. Now listen, I don't think this young girl would technically count because she looks like what we would say she probably has like pretty privilege, right? That young lady probably got like a gang of dudes that's probably waiting on her. She got natural hair, she's beautiful, she got a okay shape, you know what I mean? The butt really wasn't back there like it was supposed to, but she, again, she got a pretty face, she got a decent shape or whatever. Probably got a lot of guys that's probably checking for her. But the thing is, that pretty privilege, it runs out, right? Y'all might think that you got a gang of guys that's probably lined up waiting on you. But the thing is, just because you got a lot of quantity, it's a lot of the mofos out there, don't mean that they have, it's quality guys that's checking for you. A lot of them dudes just want to do one thing and they want to keep it pushing. And so if you, I'm not saying that this is the case, I don't know this young lady, I don't know this guy. But if you have somebody that you've been rocking with, they rock with you, you rock with them, they love you, they respect you, they want to protect you, because he did walk up like, hey, yo, what's going on? Is everything good? You straight? You don't like you're not gonna run into a lot of guys that's like that. And so you just got to be careful, man. You got to definitely pick and choose your battles wisely. I think, just my own personal opinion, that this brother, you dodged the bullet. Because I don't think that young lady was wifey material. Just my thoughts. I don't think that she was wifey material. Not what you doing all that, man. You're sitting there entertaining guys, and yes, I do count that as entertaining. If you accepting money, gifts, or anything from another mother-loving man, then yes, you're entertaining him. For $30 though, a $30 Swifter, bruh, that's what. Maybe an hour worth of work, 2 hours worth of work, and you about to throw your whole relationship away for that? They say, boy, be safe and stay dangerous out here, boy, because it's getting crazy. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and switch to this next. But y'all, let me know, what do you guys think down in the comments about that, man? Drop it down in the comments and let's talk about it.
Blueberry, Burberry, butternut, tan skin, mixed race, buttercup. Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna. Whoa, too bad was they roll.